Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the critical considerations for those planning domestic travel within the U.S. who might have a questionable immigration status. Please note, we are providing this information for educational purposes only, and it should not be construed as legal advice. Always consult with a legal professional for specific advice regarding your situation. In this video, we'll be covering essential topics to consider before planning your trip. First, we'll discuss the various identification options for domestic flights, including real ID requirements. Next, we'll outline the risks involved with traveling domestically if you have questionable immigration status, followed by our recommendations on how to proceed, concluding with an important disclaimer. Let's begin by exploring the identification options you can use for domestic air travel within the United States. According to the Transportation Security Administration, you can use a valid U.S. driver's license or state-issued photo ID. A U.S. passport or passport card also qualifies as acceptable identification. Additionally, there are other forms listed on the TSA website, making it essential to verify these in advance. The Real ID Act mandates that all driver's licenses used for domestic flights be compliant with federal guidelines. If your license is Real ID compliant, it should be sufficient for air travel within the country. However, starting May 7, 2025, you won't be able to board a flight with a non-compliant license unless you have another form of accepted identification, such as a passport. It's essential to ensure your identification meets these requirements well ahead of your travel dates. Traveling domestically with a questionable immigration status comes with its own set of risks. Overstaying a visa or being in the U.S. without proper authorization can expose you to considerable legal risks. Airports often have enhanced law enforcement presence, increasing the likelihood of questioning and potential immigration consequences. Using a foreign passport that's linked to a visa overstay further raises scrutiny and risk of detention. Even traveling with a valid driver's license does not eliminate the possibility of your immigration status being questioned. Let's test your knowledge. What forms of identification are accepted for domestic flights within the U.S. according to the TSA? A. Driver's license and passport. B. Credit card and library card. C. School ID. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is A. Driver's license and passport. The TSA accepts a valid U.S. driver's license or state-issued photo ID, along with a U.S. passport or passport card for domestic flights. Given the risks involved, it's crucial to assess the potential outcomes carefully. If you suspect any issues with your legal status, consulting an immigration attorney is essential before making any travel plans. Consider alternative plans if the risks are too high, such as postponing or canceling the trip. If uncertainty prevails, avoiding the airport might be the safest choice for you. Please remember that this video is intended solely for educational purposes and should not be regarded as legal advice. For personalized guidance and advice, always consult with a qualified legal professional. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below. Stay informed and stay safe.